Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my January 2022 Vegancuts beauty subscription, which is funny because I think my last video might have been the December one that just arrived. You know, what is the world anymore? So unfortunately, this did not come with the description card. It was packed into my box that the snacks come in, so that's back to normal, but the snack card was there. Some weird step up your vegan game card was in there, but the beauty card was missing. I'm not going to email and complain about that, it's whatever. I could not find anywhere on their website that had all the products listed with descriptions, and I'm genuinely not interested in looking up each and every one of them to give you the description, honestly, for like what, a 10-minute video. So we're just gonna look at them, look at the ingredients, see what we think. So the first item I just pulled out is Vegan by Happy Skin, the original skin essence toner. This is chamomile, calendula, aloe vera juice. So it's like this pink toner type product. And as always, let's look at the ingredients. So there are things in here that I'm just not interested in putting on my face. I am going to be passing this on, and that's kind of annoying. This really cool, pretty looking product I'm not going to get to use because it is packed full of fragrance, perfume, limonene, citronella. So yeah, I'm not going to put this on my face. The next item is from the Mighty Patch, and it is their original, the 6 patches for blemishes. I actually do enjoy these products from the Mighty Patch, and I think there's another brand I've used too that's pretty good. And I find that once your blemish has kind of came to a head, or if it's already erupted, these work really well to heal that spot and take the redness away and get the open woundness of it all to go away. I don't find that they do a good job of doing anything if it's just starting to form, or if it really hasn't come to a head, or if it's not the kind that come to a head. So just keep that in mind. At least that's from my personal experience what has happened, but I do think that these have a little something to them and do work. So excited to have this. I don't think these are a very high cost item. I mean, I'm just guessing values. I would say a vegan toner, this probably isn't a very high cost value either. Just guesstimating. Yeah. Next we have this little box. I'm not sure what exactly this is. It's a Super C skin crystals. Yeah, we're just gonna have to open this because I have no clue what it is. Okay. See what you are. So it is this little vial of something, some sort of powder. Super C Skin Crystals, a true superhero for encouraging a healthy and radiant complexion. These unique antioxidant crystals activate upon the time of use to fortify skin, encourage cellular regeneration, and improve the overall complexion by stimulating collagen, brightening and tightening skin tone, and reducing free radical damage. Directions: shake a small amount into the palm of the hand and add several drops of water. Mix gently to completely dissolve the crystals. Pat into dry skin. The product can be used in place of toner. I have never heard of something like this. This is very strange. I don't know. Does it say what it's made of? Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. L-ascorbic acid, MSM, I don't know what that is, and coconut fruit juices. Well, I'm going to go ahead and say this is probably an expensive product because it seems bizarre and out there. And I feel like someone would charge a lot of money for this. As you can see, it's just like powder in there. So I guess it's some sort of powder that dissolves in your hands with water and has some sort of nutrient effect to it. I don't really understand what this is, so I'm probably gonna just give this away because I am deeply and terribly confused. But you know what? If you're experimental and you want to give it a try, it's interesting, that's for sure. The packaging can't knock. This was a very cool presentation, and it was packed well with the tissue paper and the instructions wrapped around it. I don't really even know what to think about that one. That one's just odd. Let's pull out the next product. So we have this little tube of Evolu hydrating serum. Evolu hydrating serum. That's all it says on there. There are no ingredients on the back. It just says like made in Los Angeles, Beverly Hills. So I'm gonna have to Google this and find out what this is. It says a hydrating serum, but I have no idea what the heck is in this, or if there's a specific way to apply, if they wanted you to apply it in a certain order, whatever. So, a serum. Okay. And the last product is wrapped in this bubble wrap. So let me get this open. This is the Tropical Naturals Scalp Treatment. And I think I actually have one of these already. Yeah, I already have this product, and to be honest, I completely forget to use it. Because you're supposed to like put it on your scalp and leave it on for a while before you like shampoo and stuff, but I always forget to use this. So because I constantly forget to use it, and I have a whole bunch of other scalp products, I'm probably just going to give this away too, because I already have an open one that I'm probably going to take forever to get through because I forget about it. So this box, honestly, is kind of a stinker to me. Like, no interest in this. This is bizarre. I have no idea what to make of that. No interest in that. This has come in other boxes in the past and other various vegan boxes. If you don't have other scalp products, it could be really interesting, because this is a double for me. Not that interested. And I have no idea what to even make of this serum. There's no descriptors on it whatsoever telling me what it is for, aside from hydrating. I don't know what ingredients are in it. I don't know what actives it has. I don't know how it's supposed to benefit me other than hydrating me. So I'm gonna have to look that up. I'm sure if I had the card here, that would be a lot easier to figure out, but just another Vegancuts mistake that I've experienced recently. No card. So this Mighty Patch is the only thing I'm really excited about. So yeah, pretty disappointing box. Just seems to be the theme with Vegancuts lately. And I know I could cancel and just be done with it, although I think I am on a multi-month plan right now. But this is kind of the whole point of the video, since this is like my hobby, is to show you what comes in the boxes, so you know as the viewer whether you want to subscribe or not. So I'm just taking that for what it is. I don't think this is particularly impressive for me, but maybe there are a lot of products in here that you personally think are really cool. So it is what it is. I'm gonna give this one a D. I'm gonna give this box a D, or bag a D. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, I have been posting on Amandaphenomenon.com if you're interested in reading any of my thoughts and musings. And I will link to anything I'm wearing, if I can find it, down below. And I will talk to you all later.